Okay, time to dive into the Pro Trade System results for November. I've got my watch list here and radar screen up here, updating the live trading results and signals. And we're going to walk through them, okay? So on the left-hand side here, we've got the Pro Trade System plugged into our radar screen. And we've got the currency pairs in here, okay? These are the ones we pretty much look at on a daily basis. Down below here, we've got lots of NASDAQ, I mean, a couple of hundred NASDAQ stocks. We haven't got time to go through all of those, but we'll look at the results here live for the currency pairs. On the right-hand side, we've got the charts. The euro dollar, the top one here, it's been in a short trend, and these are all swing trades, guys, okay, not day trades. These are swing trades. They're great for you people that are working full-time. And currently, in this section, it's the P&L, okay, and it's relating to the pip movement. If you're doing a spread bet, you'll be looking at point movement. If not, it's just normal pips here, okay. So if it's red, it's losing that amount of pips. If it's green, it's making that amount of pips. You can see it updating in real time. If I move my cursor, you can see the numbers actually updating from the signal that it's in. All right, so euro dollar here is up 218 pips. All right, so we had a lovely classic, one of our classic green to red. So blue, green to red. Red is the sell signal. We got that right in here, and it's been down ever since. So a lovely short signal on Pro Trade System. Updating, it's 219 pips profit since that signal. Pound US dollar has also been short, 288 pips profit on the pound US dollar short trade. So what you want to do, if you want to work out how much you'll be making on these trades, just multiply the pip count here by the position size, and that will give you roughly the amount of profit you will be making for this month. Dollar yen has been short, 85 pips. Aussie dollar, 82 pips. Not doing that much, the Aussie dollar. Pretty slow at the moment. Euro yen, 245 pips. Now, the yen pairs, if you go through here, look at the pound yen, 409 pips profit. Are you making 409 pips in one market per month? Because if you're not, you need to be getting on this system, and you need to be following us on our scan clubs every Monday night, because what we do with these swing trades is that we look at the setting up for each month. So at the start of November, we were looking for these big moves, and they were all the yen pairs, okay? So the yen pairs, we were focused as a community, we were focused because we had a signal on the monthly time frame to short. And what we do, we go down to the smaller time frames, which this is relating to here, and we get that precision entry with the Pro Trading System. Okay, so it was yen pairs. We focused on the yen pair short side, and you can see here, pound yen, 412 pips profit. Wow, fantastic. Euro yen been short, and we were short these markets. 243 pips profit. Dollar yen, as I said. And yeah, the CAD yen, 153 pips profit. Aussie yen in here, 77, 78 pips profit. But you can see the yen pairs were all short side trades. And those were the ones that we were focusing on for this month. And we didn't have to do a lot for them. When you're swing trading the markets, you're looking at where the market's going to go for the month. Pro Trading System does all that for you, okay? And then you're down to your smaller time frames looking for color changes. The dollar CAD here, nothing. We're just starting to get a new buy signal on dollar CAD. It hasn't confirmed yet. It's going light green. Euro sterling, nothing on that. We should be getting a new signal on that soon. And yeah, so it was really the euro dollar that got absolutely battered because the dollar index was very strong. It's been strong throughout October and November. The euro dollar, came in for a big sell-in signal on Pro Trading System, and we certainly proved that to the downside. That was very nice indeed. So I think the yens are going to continue their down move. I think it's just the start of the yens dropping, really. Look, if we're already up 250 odd points on the yen, 240 points on the euro yen, I think we could easily make 500 to 700 points on this trade. I think it's got the potential to do that. All right, Euro New Zealand, and they're all green, but this one here is down 33 pips. Boogaloo, who cares? 33 pips, I'll take that all day long when I'm making 300, 400, 500s on these yen pairs all day long for swing trades, guys. All right, this is great for funded accounts. This is great for FX trading, and this is great for people that have got full-time jobs that are working and can't really get to their screens and keeping their eyes on the market every single day. Okay, just a couple here. Apple on the list right down here. Let's NASDAQ up 465 points on this one. Okay, really good. So nicely updated. You can see it working in real time here. There's no manipulation. There's no fixing the numbers here, guys. It's swing trading, PTS updating. You know, this could quite easily rally another 400 points, and you'll see it. Not right now, because I doubt the euro dollar is going to go 400 points right now, but it could easily rally another 20, 30 points right now, and you'll see that in real time with our radar screen here. So really nice trades. The yen pairs were the ones. If you want to know more about our pro trend system and our program, then make sure you go to the description in our channel here and basically ask for a call back, and we'll discuss your options for joining the program and getting all the software. All right, so hope it helps, and some fantastic results again, as I said, and I think these yen pairs will continue way into Christmas and early into next year. Speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye now.